What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Xiaomi Civi 3 configuration revealed on the network. A new powerful chip, an improved dual selfie camera, and many other great features. The first rumors about Xiaomi Civi 3 indicate a screen with a pill hole, two front cameras, and a MediaTek chipset. Last September, Xiaomi launched the Xiaomi Civi 2 phone with an eye-catching design and quality dual selfie camera system to the focus on women. Now a new leak has revealed the main specifications of his smartphone successor, expected to be called Xiaomi Civi 3. News coming from the informant digital chat station, known for its high precision, revealed some information about the Xiaomi Civi 3. He points out that the company will keep the same 6.55 inches screen with AMOLED technology already used in all three devices of the line, maintaining Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, support with curved edges, and a pill-shaped punch hole for the two front cameras. The leak also says that the Xiaomi Civi 3 has two 32-megapixel cameras on the front, with LED flash support for low-light selfies. The rear camera setup of this phone will include the main SONY IMX800 sensor. Digital chat station also stated that Xiaomi will not bring any improvements to the secondary camera on the upcoming Civi phone. To recall, the Xiaomi Civi 2 has a 50-megapixel SONY IMX766 main camera sensor, a 20-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. In addition, he points out that the company should replace the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset with a MediaTek platform, more specifically the Dimensity 8200. As for the camera set, it should have a 50-megapixel Sony IMX800 main sensor. This is the same sensor found in other devices of the brand, such as Xiaomi K60 Pro and Xiaomi 13. Regarding the Xiaomi Civi 3, other information is still a mystery, but certainly new details should emerge over the next few weeks. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.